family one-story home.
Extra one in here. This one is going to be used for my shoes, but I was able to put all of my slides in, so I may have to put it, let's see if it'll go in sideways. Okay, so sideways, there you go. Turn it sideways, and then I'm able to fill my shoes up, put them in a basket so they're not showing, and just make it all pretty and neat. But now I have another addition. I'm complete. I cannot add any more shelves. Another shelf? Right. This came out of Burlington. How cute is that? So a new addition to my desk area. You guys know or may not know, I work from home. So a lot of this I come during the week and work. Yeah. So this is actually a functional little desk area, also from IKEA. Have been working and cleaning it up in here, working on our cute little bed. So I know I showed you guys that Casa Luna comforter in our last little video. I'm gonna hold off on it. I think that'll be perfect for like the springtime, but I found this beautiful comforter. It is silk tucked it, and it is from Restoration Hardware, but the outlet, okay? But it was like originally $600 for this comforter, and then it was marked down at the outlet for like $200. I paid like $220 for this comforter. It is beautiful. I'm so scared to steam it because it is silk, so I need to do a little bit more research on how to get these wrinkles out. So I just been letting it lie on the bed, and hopefully, you know, I keep spreading it out. This was actually going to be my work scarf, but it looks so beautiful here on my bed. Love the coloring. Look how good the coloring is. Now these pillows right here are a work in progress. Hold on, why you only getting beauty of having older kids? Okay, so I'm so excited. The bedding, now I can say this is work in progress. This is all I had around the house. These are not gonna make it. So these came out of like Crate and Barrel, Pottery Burn. I don't like this linen stuff, but I am gonna order a hand steamer, and hopefully they look better when they're steamed. Here I just have my little Joe Malone. Let me flip these sticks. It's almost time to replace them. It's getting low. So a little Joe Malone moment, my little Amazon clock right there. Started it. Now the pillow up here, I could add it on here and it'd be just fine. That came from Pottery Barn, but I'm kind of like over that print. Girl, let me cut my light on. Over here to my desk. Let's move over here to the desk. Let me move this over here. I had this over there, but I don't really need that extra one there. Okay, to declutter my desk. Oh my god, yeah. So I had to switch out a few things. We went to the Container Store yesterday, and that definitely helped me get organized completely. Okay, really quickly. So you guys, this is my little work from home. You got boo. Okay, so cute little sign is from Burlington, so I just cut her on every day. She's so cute. My little calendar, I just wiped her off when I cleaned off my desk. And so what I did was switch this out, and I add this little drawer. It has my little essentials, like when I'm on the phone, I need some lotion. Under here, I didn't want to see it, so it has like lip gloss and a little spray, a mirror clip, and this is a lighter. So just little essentials that I need when I'm on the phone. So perfect. So perfect. So this is a little drawer out of Container Store, and then here I just added a cute little calculator. I was able to remove all those ink pens and all of that. Usually I have Fresh Floral, some space, and then these are all of my little planners. And then this, I just added this cute acrylic cart. I had to take one level off because it was too tall here. Oh, and these are cute, some little macaroon. These are little magnets, so cute. Okay, I placed this here, so this is now going to stir. Yeah, so, and gum. I like to have gum over here. So this is all the things that were on my desk, and I was so over looking at it. Cute scissors. The ones I have tarnish. So it's just like a cute notepad. My little supplies. So body butters are in here. This is Delina, honey. She is a moment, so I didn't put her in there. She's so cute. And then my little candle I sit on my warmer, and then down here has the rest of my supplies. It's more like clips and stickers. So the front top one has the creams, and then that one has the, and then I just purchased that little headstand. It's acrylic, so good, so perfect, and then so good. Oh, I need to put her up, but let me just hang her up here. My work in progress, getting this little stuff organized, all of my little cases and stuff. I'm still working on and moving things around. That's what I was doing over here this morning. Let me turn this light on. This light is a different light. I need to switch it out because you see that is like a warmer light, and this is like a bluer light, and they both came from IKEA, but they're the same style but different coloring, so I need to switch it out one day. But here it goes. There it goes. This is what I've been working on. I finally decluttered up here, added that little pumpkin. I bought this box, but I really don't have anywhere to place it in here. I'm not gonna take it back, but I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put it. So this is a work in progress. That was it. I had to get most of my shoes placed in here, so I'm still working on this as of this morning, but this is it right here. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoy. New candle, Ness. It's good. It's nice. I just got it a few days a few days ago from I'm still here. It came out of Home Goods, but they're definitely all over Amazon and a Container Store. This cart is it comes with 3 levels. $100, like 99 bucks for this cart, but it's definitely worth it. Yes, so it all turned out so well, so I'm excited. I have to work tomorrow in the morning. I think that's it. That's all I need to show or share with you guys. So I think I told you everything. The chair was from Home Goods if you didn't see my last little vlog. The calculator is from the Container Store, Amazon. Oh, this little calendar, I know I get asked on my stories all the time. It's from Target. And this one is from Target as well, the little wall calendar. This is something I made. I got it from Germany. This is actually a light. And I just made it so you can plug it in instead of wiring it into the wall. I learned how to do that when I was in Germany. That's my little desk moment. And then, no, this poor little ugly cord. But, you know, I have to have it plugged into the router. Can do nothing about it. Okay, she's not terrible. She's super. For a king pillow, this is the normal one. And I didn't realize the difference. I'm not taking it back on and threw that plastic away and everything else. So, we're just going to make it do what it do. Alright, you guys, I enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed my little styling video. I've been working all day. I still have just a little bit of my laundry down here on the floor, so I'm going to do that, take a shower in my little new Bath and Body Works shower gels, and chill out. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. Whoa, she's cute. Now I get to sit over here, don't have a mess. Love it. Can you get it?
Don't play with me. This is tighter. The leopard gecko. Get down. I'm trying to get macro shot.
He got him when he had his little birthday, and she's becoming one with him. They are in love with their little creatures. So, no. He just got this a few days ago. He is placing all of this stuff into it, and he's over here feeding it. Are they blue?
They're green. Blue-green.
What? They look like candlesticks.
Yeah, they turn into moths.
What is it?
It's a hornworm.
Whoa. He keeps calling it a boy.
Where my clamps at?